Hello guys, thank you for watching this video. Today I'm going to talk about how to be more photogenic on camera. Now actually I'm not the most photogenic person on camera, on screen, even on still photos, but as I watch some tutorials, there are some tricks, very easy tricks that we need to know. Okay, actually this is huge. This is the first one. Very significant is about the jawline. Even though they say that, okay, on camera you may look 10 years, not 10 years, 10 pounds heavier. No, I don't exactly believe in that. But maybe it can be the lens or angle. But actually it's more about, in still photos, in headshots, it's about the jawline. Okay, so today I'll also be your model. I'm going to demonstrate some things. It's easier. Maybe it takes a little bit practice. So for the jawline, okay, example, I look like this. Like a normal human being, just typical. So you say, okay, so the camera is there. Okay, so the photographer will say, okay, take your pose. You see. What do you see? Bingo. Double chin. So even though you don't look that fat, it may look like you're heavier because of your double chin. So one trick to do is to tilt forward your forehead. So it's this. So instead of doing like this, you say like that. See that jaw? Now you see the jawline, the shape. Okay, from here to first thing, smiling, to this. Better, right? So if you're not smiling, to now you're talking. So if you're not comfortable, example for photographers, if you have a client, sometimes it's not. If you say, okay, pull your chin forward. What? So instead you say, put your forehead on the front. So tilt them on the front. So from this to. Okay, much better now. So you don't have that chin, double chin. How about if they have you make a side shot, like angle like this. So here, normally you just there you go. There's no jawline but double chin. But of course, if you straighten your back. So the trick here is to make your ears forward to the camera. So instead of doing like this. So your shoulders here. So you don't put your back shoulders like this. Okay, so you make like that. So you angle like this. Not like this. Much better, right? Than before. After. So if you're front, normally do just a little practice. I know it's quite a lot of getting used to if you're not used to. In front, right? From this to now you see some jawline from this to so there you go. So how to be more photogenic. I think there are a lot of more tips, but as I did my research, the jawline is really a big thing. It's huge, so it may take practice, but it's worth it if you want to look good in photos or more photogenic. So let's say how to make camera loves you. So it's all about the jawline. So maybe your photographer will also guide you, and it helps if they will guide you on how to pose with your jawline. So thank you guys for watching. Hope you subscribe to my channel Photos Make Money, because I have more tips on how to make money with photos. Please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so you'll have a new video when I release them. So if you're a freelance photographer, established photographer, if you want to make more money with companies wanting to buy your photos, I have a free ebook there. Opt in, just give your first name and your email, and that's it. It will guide you to a free ebook with a link below on how to make money with photos. Thank you guys, it's Serena. See you in the next chat. Bye. Happy clicking!